Alright, so we're getting into section 8.1. This is proving things about parallelograms. So we're given that element P is a parallelogram, and we've got to prove that these opposite angles MP and LN are congruent. Alright, so and it's got a proof for us to fill out after we do this build, just like anything else. I like to just walk through it and then fill out the blanks. Alright, so let's just highlight these two triangles here. So we're trying to prove that P and M are congruent and that L and N are congruent. Right, so I'm going to start with kind of like identifying like some triangles that just kind of have those in them. Right, so let's go with just like one with just like that in it, I guess. Let's get rid of that one. Let's do something like that here, like this. Let's do like a purple triangle like this here. I'm not sure if this is the way they did it first, but this is the way I'm going to do it first. Oh, that's kind of hard to stick it in there. Okay, there we go. All right, so we have this this triangle LNP. It's a purple triangle, and I'll grab like this purple and red triangle here. There we go. Yeah, there we go. And this red triangle. This one here. These two triangles that are kind of identified like this. Right. First thing is first here. What is given? All right. So what first is given here is that I have that this line segment and this line segment LM is congruent to PN. Right. I know that, and then I know that that LP is congruent to MN. Sorry, that's congruent to MN. Well, I can say that because I know that the opposite sides of parallelograms are congruent. Right, I know that's the thing. All right, so I'm able to say that. Okay, and then I know that this line segment LN is congruent to LN as reflexive property of congruence. Reflexive property of congruence, right? So I know that this thing is congruent to itself, right? So because of that, I have three sides. I have triangle LNP, triangle, it's not my purple one. I have triangle LNP, triangle LNP is congruent to triangle N, triangle N, triangle NLM because of side congruence. All right, so that's one thing there. All right, so now I'm gonna erase this so that you can see all this stuff here. Okay, so I can get rid of that stuff. Oh wait, yeah. So hold on. Because of that, I can say, because of these two triangles are congruent, I can say that angle P. I can say that angle P is congruent to angle M. Because they're congruent parts of congruent triangles, and those are congruent. Okay. So there you go. There's that. All right. So now I'm gonna erase this stuff. So I've proven this. This has been proven. Check. That's proven. Okay. So now I need to erase all this stuff. Oh, I shouldn't erase that stuff. Oh well, I will. I will erase that stuff. I've already erased it. I'll fill it in down here, I guess, when I'm done. Going out of control with my new erasing markers things. Okay, so now that I've proven that those are congruent, now, and I know that this is congruent, right? Now I have this other vertical line. Now I know that this other one here I know that PM is congruent to PM, right? Because reflexive. Right, so now I have triangle PML. I'll say PLM. PLM is congruent to triangle MNP. MNP. So I have those two angles, angle L, because of side, 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 right? So now I can say that angle N is congruent to angle L, right? Because congruent parts of corresponding parts of congruent triangles are congruent. So I've gotten these ones done. So that's all done. All right, so I'll fill in the table down here with what I've known. All right, so this was given. LMNP is a parallelogram. It's given. These are parallel because it is a property of a parallelogram, specifically opposite sides of a parallelogram are congruent. Then let's see, I did MP first, so we have to do LN. Yep, LN is congruent to LN because reflexive property. So we do triangle PLM is congruent to triangle MLP, or LNP, PLM, PNM, and then so this is CPCTC, this is reflexive property of congruence, and then you can say that angle L is congruent to angle N. All right, so there you go. Okay, so the next one here is just to fill in the blanks. Opposite sides of a parallelogram are congruent. Opposite angles of a parallelogram are congruent. Quadrilateral containing two pairs of parallel sides is a parallelogram. There you go. That is 8.1, and I hope that you learn some stuff from it. Have a great day.